With Revenue Inbox for Salesforce and Gmail Chrome extension, you can access and update any relevant Salesforce data right from your Gmail mailbox opened on any device that can run Google Chrome browser. Let's add the Revenue Inbox for Salesforce extension to your Chrome browser. Go to chrome.google.com web store. Find the Revenue Inbox extension through the search field. Click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension in the confirmation dialog. Then go to your Gmail inbox to grant Revenue Inbox permission to work with your Gmail and Google Calendar data. After signing in to your Gmail, open the Revenue Inbox extension by clicking the Revenue Inbox icon on the right-hand side tab. In the Extensions pane, click Sign in to my Google account and select your account. Provide the extension access to your Gmail data by clicking Allow in Gmail Data Access Confirmation dialogs 1 to 8. This 8-step permission authorization process was implemented to meet some Revenue Inbox customers' specific functional and security requirements to access only specific types of Google data. Note that each permission is required for a certain Revenue Inbox function. If some permissions are not granted, the corresponding features will not be available. Review and change the access permission you granted and confirm. Next, grant the Revenue Inbox extension permission to work with your Salesforce data. Click Connect to Salesforce. Enter your Salesforce credentials and allow Revenue Inbox to access your Salesforce data. And you are now ready to use Revenue Inbox for Salesforce in Gmail. You can observe the synchronization status in sync settings. As you see, the sync engine is enabled.